Abigail.
Hi, I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Where's the video? Hello.
We're on our first.
Hi, Jared.
Hi, Jared.
Oh my God! Oh my God! We're on TV. We're on the Video Express. Like, oh my God! It's like, yeah. Young again.
Oh yeah.
I feel like we're young.
You guys like the
I feel young again. I mean, come on.
That's Andrea.
What? Is that the thing that's holding us together?
Yep.
Oh my God.
No, there's something down there. Oh yeah, there's like a bar down there.
Dude, there's little kids back there. Did you even notice?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
Such dorks. There's a kid back there.
Where's my mom?
Mom, look that way.
Mom!
We're on a Mini Express train.
Go find guys. Let's grab a bag and pick up.
Okay.
You got one?
Dad, it's fast.
I want to go there somewhere.
I don't know.
No, I'm actually eating mine. Oh my God, look at this car. You want to win it?
What is in the car?
It's a Mercedes.
This is Mercedes.
Give it to Jared.
I need a friggin' trash can. I need
We
one
went
too.
past one.
Eventually.
Just throw it.
Oh shit! Oh my God! Look at this! Andrea! Sorry. Johnny got crap all over the wall.
Oh my God, okay. Sorry. That's it?
You freaking like threw up on me or
Okay,
something.
never mind. That was my boyfriend.
It's like
I'm so sorry, dude.